Cristiano Ronaldo is walking with a tiger. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the best players in football history. Cristiano Ronaldo's story began in Madeira, Portugal, where a boy with boundless dreams played football on the streets. Despite humble beginnings, his talent was undeniable. At 12, he left home to join Sporting Lisbon, facing homesickness and challenges, but never giving up. His big break came at Manchester United, where his speed and skill dazzled the world. A move to Real Madrid cemented his legacy as he shattered records and won countless titles, including 5 Ballon d'Ors. His relentless work ethic and discipline made him an icon.